Can you reopen Instagram photos that has already been viewed? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and see if you can reopen Instagram photos that has already been viewed. So go ahead and open Instagram and then open the conversation from where you want to view the image. Here, as you can see, I have already viewed the image, and now if you tap hold on the image, then you will not be able to see the option to replay anywhere. So, unfortunately, on Instagram, once you have viewed a disappearing photo or a video, which is sent via DM, in vanish mode or as view once, then you cannot reopen it again. And Instagram makes these temporary to protect the sender's privacy. So basically, the sent as view once medias on your DM disappears immediately after you open it. You cannot reopen it once it's viewed, as Instagram does not restore it for you. And the sent as allow replay DMs can be opened twice, but it has to be sent by the user in that particular way. So this was about if you can reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.